Yeah, so hi guys. Yeah, how are you guys doing? So good to see you guys again. Good to hear from you again. I'm so happy to hear from you guys again. So I really want to take this time to appreciate you guys for especially the questions that always comes in the comment section. I'm so impressed. People are asking a lot of questions in the comment section. I really try my best also to respond to those questions. Even some of the questions I used to do some videos that pertain to the question, so that I always try to solve every problem as much as possible. So thank you guys for the comments. Thank you for all your wonderful comments. Thank you for the encouragement. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for putting in the nice comments and those thumbs up. I really appreciate, guys, so much. I really appreciate. Yeah, they are those things are really helping me to push forward to do more. Yeah, so I came to check on this site again. So I came here around last week and I did a video as well, to show the level of work, the progress of work, as I was so impressed with all what I saw on site. So I did a video concerning that. I walked around a building that is, I think it was 2 bedroom or so. Yeah, because we are building 4 buildings, two for 2 bedrooms, then the rest of the second one for 3 bedrooms. So I'm really impressed. So I did a video. I walked inside the building from the ground floor to the 10th floor. So I showed some features in it, like the 1 meter level. So I showed the 1 meter level in that video. The importance of that 1 meter level, the reason why we surveyors used to mark the 1 meter level for every other professionals on site, as far as construction is concerned, that is building construction. So that 1 meter level is basically meant for whoever that wants to work on that same building. That is other professionals like the mechanical and the electrical as well. So the 1 meter level is for them, so they can use that as their reference level. So whenever they want to build their sockets, they want to put their what is it called, their WC, the every other things that need to be fixed, every other fittings that need to be fixed in the toilet, in the kitchen. So they use that 1 meter level to fix their material. So I did that as well. So you can check out the video, is on my channel. So today, basically what I want to be doing is I came to this side probably because of my colleague here. So we have been working together for a while. So I want to put him through on surveying instruments here, so that he also can have a good idea about how we use Total Station. That's what I want to do today. So I've asked him to bring it out. I've asked him to bring the instrument out so he can set it by himself, and so that I can put him through on some things. So we are doing it gradually though. So next week I'll be coming in again to put him through on some other things. So I want to do that so that at least I can also be relieved in some part of it, so we can always work together. So he's already setting up. So let me just show you guys. Let me show you guys. So what we want to be doing today is we're going to be working with angle and distance on the Total Station. So I want to show him how to use angle and distance on Total Station, how to use it to observe points, to measure points on site. So as if you are doing an as-built survey. So maybe they ask you to go to a site to do an as-built survey. You can use angle and distance mode to take your measurement on site. So that's what I want to do. Let me show you guys. He's already doing the setting up. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So you can see him, guys. He's already doing the setting up. So let me join him, or let me just stay here and see how long it's going to take to do the setup. So let me just stay here and watch him and see how long it's going to take him to do the setup. So let me, you can see the building. So he's the one that did it to this level. So we both work together on it though. So we have been using coordinate mode to fix this. We have 4 buildings here. This is 1, this one, this is 2. So okay, this first one is 2 bedroom. Yeah, this first one is 2 bedroom. This second one you are seeing here is 3 bedroom. This third one you are seeing over there is also 3 bedroom, and this is the 4th one. So you can see this 4th one is also 2 bedroom as well. So you can see that the 4 of them, we are almost at the, we've gotten to the roofing level. This one is also 3 bedroom. Okay, so the other projects too. So this one you are seeing here is for other contractors. This one is for the other contractors. I think they give 4 also outside. They give 4 to us and they gave 4 to other 2 contractors. So they took it to 2. So this one also is another one for the other contractor. This one also is another one for the other contractor. And this last one you are seeing at the back is also another one for the other contractor. So but we are doing 4 on this project. So let me go and meet him. Let me go and see. Let me just move closer and see what he's doing. Okay. So guys, let's see this. So the last time that we worked together on that site, so we used, that one was coordinate mode that we use. So but this one is not much. So what we want to do is we want to pick that, like this building now. We'll pick 3 heads of the building. You can see 3 of this one, so we'll pick 3. So this one too. We cannot see 3, so we'll pick 2 of this one. So this one, so maybe we'll pick 2 of this one too. So let's just pick it that way. Like we are doing, maybe they invite a surveyor to come and walk in and pick this building for them. So we can use this method that I want to use. The battery is down. Let's change the battery. So the battery is down. Let's change it. So I just replace the battery. So now, because we have 2 types of observation, it's either you observe with coordinates or you observe with angle and distance. Okay. So the one we did on that site is angular. We use coordinates, so we pick the coordinates of point. But here now I want to use angle and distance mode. So
Well, question. We must have been by having commission by. But more, right?
Shannon.
Machine, kí ló máa fi lè ṣe wá?
Kí ni tọ́lù àyè?
Point
Coordinate, angle and distance.
Méjèèjì ẹnìkan náà ni. Okay, so just that 2. So now, Then this angle and distance, now there's a procedure that I used to work with. So if you are going to use angle and distance mode on your total station to observe on site or to do your survey on site, the instruments needs you to set your instruments. You must pick a point. Let's assume that this is our set station now. We need a point as our back station. Even if you want to use angle and distance, the last time we use coordinate mode, we have a set station and we have a back station. So the same thing is applicable to angle and distance too. So let's assume this is our set station. Now, then we'll now pick a point. Maybe we can use the edge of the building as our backside point. So let us use which one do we use? Let's use this one that is closer. This edge of the building, we'll use it as our backside station. So what we'll now do is we must zero. No, I'm the one that will hold this one for you. So now we must zero to that our backside station. I got to set instrument to our back and say Kafisi, but I zero. This instrument we must zero it since it is angle and distance. You know that in surveying we have like from 0 to 360 degree.
Yes.
So you get now. Yes. Once it is 360 degree, we'll go back to 0 again. Yes. So that's how the instrument also operates. So from 0 degree now. So let's assume we are going to 0 to that edge of the building. So once we 0 to that edge of the building, the instrument will now start counting its degree from that place. Then clockwise, the degree will be increasing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till it goes back to that place again at the 360. Do you get now? Yeah. That's how the instrument works. So if you are using angle and distance, you have to zero your instrument to your backside point. So when you zero it, you will now lock the instrument. You press your 0, you make sure that you fix the orientation to that point. Then it will measure for you. So that means if you turn your instruments to your right with some degree, it's going to give you that angle. Maybe 27 degree, 58 degree is going to give you. As you are turning your instrument, the angle will be changing. The degree, the bearing in the instrument, the angle is going to be changing. You get what I'm saying now? So till you get to that 0 again, what you are telling the instrument is, I want you to start your 0 from that backside point. So the instrument already recognized that. Once you have logged it, you have set your settings on it. So let us use that building as our backside point. So I'm going to backside that building first. That's the first thing. Once I'm done with my leveling, I'm done with the instrument. I'm done with the temporary adjustments. Both sides is leveled. So I'll set the instrument to that edge of the building. So you are the one that will determine wherever you want to use as your backside. So it can be anywhere, but make sure that it is a defined place. As it is now, if it is a proper job, I can pick the coordinate of this point, pick the coordinate of that point, like we did on that side. You get now? So because total station needs at least 2 points before it can work. So I'll pick this point, I'll pick that point. So whenever I want to do my plotting on AutoCAD, I can put those coordinates on it and use it as my orientation. So I'm going to bisect that edge of the building. So I'm done with that now. So what we'll now do is see what the instrument is bringing. It's saying all for F1, O set for F2, H set for F3, then P1 for F4. But what we need is O set. This O set means 0 set, which is what we want to do. We are going to 0. That is O. So O set. So we'll press F2. So once you press F2, see what it's showing now. It's saying horizontal angle 0 sets. It's now saying yes or no. The instrument is asking us that this direction that is facing, is that the place we want to use for our 0? So that's what the instrument is asking us now. So I will check my sight again, my line of sight. I will check it again. I can say that yes, I'm still at that angle. So I'll press yes. You get what I'm saying now? So the instrument has set to that angle. It's going to see that it's going to use that angle as a 0. You get what I'm saying? So my observation now starts. So I will now come to distance. So after the distance, I will now measure. Because I'm like that now, so I want to use reflectorless. I want us to be here. So let us measure that edge of the building. We don't need to go there because we want to use reflectorless. We will still use this reflector too as well, but let us try the reflectorless. So I'll press this star button. I'll press it. So you can see reflector, non-prism. So it's still at reflectorless. Once it shows non-prism, that means you are not using prism. But if it is only prism like this now, I'll press this arrow that shows
Okay, to this side.
front direction. So I'll press it 1. You can see showing sheets.
Yes.
I'll press it again. You can see prism.
Prism.
So if I want to use prism now, the settings must be like this.
Okay.
That's when the prism works. But if I want to use reflectorless, I'll press it again, non-prism. So you now press escape.
Okay.
So that means it has set it as non-prism. So I will check my line of sight again. I'm still at that angle. So I will now measure.
Okay.
So you can see.
That's 16 meters.
So your recordings now is horizontal readings. 359, 59, 55. It's also the same thing as 00.
Okay.
It's just the little, that is 5 seconds difference.
Okay.
So it's also the same thing as 00.
Okay.
So record it as 00 degree,
00
degree, 00 minutes, 00 seconds. So you now write dash. So you now write the distance. We have 16.252. 16.252. So that is to the edge of that building.
Okay, from here to that.
Yes, 16.252. So now I will now lose my instruments. So you can see that I'm turning it. You can see that the degree is changing. Horizontal reading is changing. 14, 25, 30. So you can see that it's changing.
Yes.
So as you are moving your instruments, it's going to be changing.
All right.
So let's observe that edge of the building. I will bisect it. I will measure. So I've already set it, so I will measure. So that edge of the building, I have 39 degree. Write it down. 39 degree.
39 degree.
19 minutes.
19 minutes. Okay.
35 seconds.
35 seconds.
So the distance is original that is 23 points.
Generate
The horizontal angle and distance low coordinates.
the coordinates.
23.766.
Control. Later,
Sir?
we can control.
So I did it sometimes now.
So we are now using.
So this one is just
generate.
yes. So you slow motion direct ẹ síbi tó bá yẹ kó wà.
Lọ́ọ̀kì lọ́ọ̀kì nìyẹn. Ètò ẹ̀kẹ́ máa yí kọ́ lẹ́yìn yìí o.
Ẹ ti lọ́ọ̀kì bẹ́ẹ̀ ó yẹ wá lo slow motion kẹ́ tó síbi tó bá yẹ kó wà. Ó ti wà ń bẹ̀. Èmo kan tí reflectorless fi bàjẹ́ tó fi worst bó ṣe wà yẹn. Tẹ bá fi lè ń wo nǹkan míì tẹ̀ ń wo yẹn ló máa observe fún yín. So you have to, this edge of the building, that's what we need. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ bisect edge building gangan. Ọ̀yẹ́ sábà ní kó measure òun yẹn ló máa measure fún yín. So it's going to give you wrong distance. Edge building yìí, ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wá edge building yìí. That's what we need. We need the edge of this building.